How to download and install First National Bank application. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download FNB app in your device. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Play Store from your device. At the top search bar, type in First National Bank application. Once you do so, tap on to search, and this is the application that we are looking to download. Once you see it, tap on install. Tap on open. Once you launch your app, you will see this page. Now, in order to get logged into your FNB account, tap onto my profile icon at the second last option and enter your credential to get logged into your account. And if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your account. And in case you don't have an account, you can go ahead and tap on to create account and create yourself an FNB account. And that is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.